What's up, guys? Today we are at Tom Reber's house. You might know him from the Contractor Fight. He is a business coach specifically for contractors. He's a longtime friend of mine, and it's actually really neat and a nice opportunity to work with him, but it also brings a lot of challenges and expectation to the table because he does know so many contractors out there that he knows what a good experience is and he knows what a bad experience could be. So, I want to make sure that my team is on it and that we're not screwing this up, because this could either be a huge win or this could be literally a national to an international embarrassment for us.
And we pulled into the driveway and Lee goes, Matt.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
And we pulled into the driveway and Lee goes, Matt. And I go, what? She goes, I can't unsee those damn renderings. And now I can't do anything less than that.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, that's their plan. That's the tactic. And it worked.
But the trim.
We're probably going to want to come back here and just demo the whole backyard. And then we'll probably want to get that in while building all of our retaining walls going around, and then getting gas lines in, and then getting utilities. And then after we're done with that, we can bring the concrete guy. We're not doing the deck, it's going to be concrete.
Okay, it's gonna be concrete?
Yep.
All right.
And then all this will be concrete here, and all of that too.
Okay, so this is basically the most complicated thing to do.
This is the most complicated, yeah, and most technical. And having this base in manufacturing. So fabricated from our welder, so we're getting that built. And we'll probably need to crane that over because it's probably going to be too heavy for us to carry back there. And this is a phase one, so we'll probably come back later in the summer or early fall to do phase two, which will be all the plants and all that kind of stuff. So take a good look, because this is the last time it's going to look
I love it.
like this.
Yep.
And it's going to get worse before it gets better.
I know.
Yeah.
So tomorrow or Friday, they should be showing up, and they're going to be blowing up this whole thing.
Okay.
In the renderings you gave us,
Yeah.
there are plantings here.
Yes.
Can you just go concrete? You want to have a planting station.
I want a
for
planting
your garden.
station in my garden.
She's going to put
Yeah.
a planting station.
Potters.
here.
So
we
like
can do
just
that.
to
Alright.
get a little thing where I can store.
Yeah.
That looks tidy and pretty and all concrete.
And sandwich it in there with the liner, and then come back and cut it, and then you can just cut your rocks to overhang and hide all of that.
Yeah.
It's gonna be clean. It's gonna be beautiful.
It's a recipe.
It is. Well, I sold this, and I was like, I gotta figure out how to make this work.
You sound like me.
Right? I said,
Both of you.
I've never done a basin like this. And I'm like, all right.
It's always the first time for everything, right?
Yep.
That's right.
So that's
Well,
what
I'm glad
happens
you
when
could
we're going to
practice on our house.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, not really practicing. I'm just taking all the things that work and arranging them into a brand new way.
Hard time, man. That's all.
So,
Yeah.
and then we put some cool details. I don't even want to share the
What's-
secret, but
Well, then don't.
so.
To make sure that I wasn't just assuming it was all good.
When you assume, you make an ass out of you.
Yes, you do. So I just wanted you to get a set of eyes on it before powder, and before it's there, you go, well, what about this?
Right. Yeah.
Because then,
No, I'm looking at this because we just came from that job where this is going. Starting demo. The timing's working out perfect. Nicer than what I had in my head. Chuck, dude, this is awesome.
Here, see if this works.
So this is the little surprise that we're working on for Tom's project. So he knows we're doing the basin, but we're adding the little detail, and we're gonna have this lighting thing go in here, and eventually this will come on, this will get plated. When it's all said and done, it'll be hidden, but it'll light this up, and this will be backlit, so that way, you know, he can show off, you know, who did the backyard, and just those little touches that are gonna make all the difference.
I'll have this finished tomorrow for sure. And then we'll plan on Tuesday.
That backlit, that'd be sick.
I think you're more excited than the customer's gonna be.
This work, I think we are working on electric sleeving. We have installed a conduit for electrical. We got a plug going on over there at the barbecue. And we got another plug for our pump in here for our water feature just gonna fit right here. So that's our main goal, and just wait for the block to arrive, and then we'll start building some walls.
Snow on the ground, got the shovels.
Yeah, no.
I had to dig, I worked a million years ago. My uncle had a buddy who built decks and fences and stuff, and I spent the whole winter digging post holes by hand. Like
That's fun.
Winter. Was this
Chicago.
in Chicago? Yeah.
Oh god.
Jeez.
You know, up until then it was just impossible, but you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I poured gas and I lit it to try to melt it.
So today we're out on site and we are measuring everything out, planning out the entire project. We've already demoed all of the old landscape, and now we're staking things out, and we got to figure out all the fine details. There's a lot of moving parts, particularly to this project. So we've got the outdoor kitchen with the barbecue, and then we've got the fire pit. So both of those have their own gas lines. The water feature is going to need some electricity, but we need to figure out all the spacing. It's all on the plan, but we need to work it out. So 6 feet right here, and then right in here. So. Outlet right there. Really what's going to happen here is we'll have like a horseshoe shaped waterfall coming here, coming around, and then coming into this basin.
Starting off shooting that way.
Yep, and your basin here is gonna, this basin is gonna include everything you need. So this replaces the need for the skimmer and everything the way that I designed it. So there's an access vault in there that the pump will sit in there. We're gonna put a bulkhead just inside of there, and it's already perfectly cut and everything. So the pump will sit inside, go up to the check valve, and it'll come out this way, and then you just need to cut a hole in your wall coming through here and go a short distance to your biofalls.
Basically, yeah, on the inside. So if it's 8 inches here, 8 inches there, how are you going to stick in the grill?
Stick in the group, and you got to cut a lot of blocks. Oftentimes we're working with new materials on almost every single project, and so there's some unforeseens. If we don't get it right, then we pour concrete and now we've got a gas line coming up in the wrong spot, and now we're going to have to cut concrete out and redo it. And so the planning stages, it might seem long and tedious, but this sets the foundation and the tone for the entire project. 22 and an eighth.
Inside.
Is this inside?
Oh,
That's the size of like the built-in portion. So 22 and an eighth. An eighth is the depth. The front will be open, and then the back we just need a little bit on the back side of it. So that way, what we'll probably have to do is just where that drops, is you'll have enough that'll just be aesthetic right here. And if you need to, you just slice that block. And so you have 4 inches. If we don't get these perfectly right, this could literally domino effect down the road and cause hours and hours of problems for us if we don't spend the time thinking through all these details. And those are our potential profits. I would say 25. So we were already going to be at 22'2", and then we were going to add the 3 inches for that, so 29, 2'5". Where were we at with what that was saying it was going to be? I thought it was going to be 2'2", right?
Yes, this would do 26 inches.
So if we made it 27 inches, gave ourselves 1 more inch.
Yeah.
That gives us 1 more inch on the inside. And then what that does is it gives us, that makes this countertop 30 inches. And that gives us everything that we need.
Okay.
There we go.
Vamos parándola ya.
There we go.
No, párala. Okay, now put it up.
Yeah, scoot over.
Okay, let's keep going. Keep going.
Watch your fingers. Money. Good. That's good right there. No, it's good.
Well, now we just managed to load it up in the trailer, and now it's going to powder coating. I think it's the last coat that's gonna get, and but the fun part begins when we have to crane it over the house, so that's gonna be fun, so stay tuned.